So where we've got a system that we've done for Heston window cleaning, it's in a Ford Transit Custom. It's got a 750 litre two-man full RO system in there with two of the Real X electric hose reels with the roller guides that go through the floor of the van. It's also got a 9 kilowatt heater in here with frost stat and hot air blower. You can see it there on the side. So it prevents all your system from freezing overnight. We've also got a 21 litre per minute pump there, additional with a high current controller, which is rigged up to a port plate on the bottom. So we've got this little lance on there so the customer can clean his wheelie bins out with it. We've got a fast fill trigger on there to fill his portable trolley system. And then if we come around the side, the customer's got a pressure washer and a gutter vac system in there as well. There's the heater. His poles for his vac.